Now you see there's like 6 ports. USB charger for mounting with their mounting bracket. And you see that each port which is for the charging. This is model we have, and you see the LED indicator and the series number, and you also see this one. Fine design for the cooling, and see the back and the internal, which we designed the power adapter, power supply, which is, and you can see there, so cool. And here is the mounting bracket for the screws, and you will see it like this. It's very heavy, so that we just show the detail with you. And in the box, you can see the power cord and the mounting bracket for the screw.